go again. What is it? Another one!
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from New Point Comfort to Little Creek, Virginia. James River from James River Bridge to Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel. James River from Jamestown to the James River Bridge until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing strong winds 34 knots or greater in small hail over James River Bridge, moving east at 35 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near Dominion Pier and monitor Merrimack Bridge Tunnel around 3:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Hampton Flats and Sewell's Point around 3:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel and Hampton River Inlet around 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Thimble Shoals around 3:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mariners can expect strong winds 34 knots or greater, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes.
Wow. Another one! Double header! Double header! Severe thunderstorm warning! Oh my god! Severe thunderstorm warning!
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Called it!
North Central Isle of Wight County, northeastern Southampton County, Surrey County, northeastern Sussex County, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar
Oh my
indicated
god.
a severe thunderstorm capable
Oh
of
my
producing damaging
gosh.
winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Wakefield and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Wakefield around 3:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Whoa.
Kedron around 3:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Elbin around 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Surrey around 3:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Scotland around 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Booth Fork, Carsley, Ellis Fork, Runnymede, Delk Crossroads, Beachland, Alliance, Poolsville, Bacon's Castle, and Rushmere. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.
Wow.
The National